Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths online class. I'm Kiran, your Maths teacher, and today I will be teaching you all as to how to solve word problems based on subtraction. As you can see here on the screen, I have written a word problem. Let me read the word problem first. In a board exam, 58,64,371 candidates appeared. Of these, 34,89,567 failed. How many students were successful? Children, the word problem says that 58,64,371 candidates means students. They appeared in the board exam. They wrote board exam. So out of these, 34,89,567 students, they failed in the board exam. Now what we need to find is how many were successful. That means how many have passed in the board exam. So to solve a word problem, we need to write the statements, children. To write the statements, we need to observe the numbers in the word problem. Each number indicates something, like 58,64,371. This number indicates total number of students who appeared in the board exam. And 34,89,567. This number indicates how many students have failed in the board exam. So let us begin to write the statements now. The first statement would be, we'll make statements very short, children. We'll write short statements only. Let's write the statements. First statement would be total candidates. Total candidates. Children, in a subtraction word problem, we have to write the biggest number up. So we have to form the statements of biggest number first. So total candidates are how many children? 58,64,371. Next statement would be failed candidates. Failed candidates is equal to 34,89,567. What we need to find here is how many were successful. So we'll write statement successful candidates. So let us find how many were successful in the board exam, children. So children, to find how many were successful in board exam, we need to subtract both the numbers. To subtract both the numbers, we need to observe the number which are up and the number which are down. Before that, let me write the place values of the numbers, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now children, let us begin to subtract the numbers. Like I said, we have to subtract starting from ones place. So in ones place, up we have 1 and down we have 7. 1 is smaller than 7, we cannot subtract. So we'll borrow from neighboring number. So from 7, if I give you a 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. So this number, after giving 1, it became 11. In 11, if you subtract 7, the remainder would be 4. Next, we'll subtract numbers in tens place. In tens place, up we have 6 and down we have 6. So both the numbers are same. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next, we'll subtract numbers in hundred place. In hundred place, up we have 3 and down we have 5. 3 is smaller than 5. We cannot subtract directly. What we'll do here is, we will borrow number from its neighboring number. Borrow one number from its neighboring number. So from 4, if I give you a 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now after giving 1, this number became 13. So in 13, if I subtract 5, the remainder would be 8. Next, we'll subtract numbers in thousand place. In thousand place, up we have 3 and down we have 9. In 3 we cannot subtract 9. So we'll borrow number from neighboring number. So from 6, if I give 1 here, 6 minus 1 is 5. This number became 13 now. In 13, if I subtract 9, the remainder would be 4. Next we'll subtract number in 10,000 place. In 10,000 place, up we have 5 and down we have 8. 5 is smaller than 8. We cannot subtract directly. So from 8 we'll give here 1 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So after giving 1, this number became 15 now. In 15, if I subtract 8, the remainder would be 7. Next we'll subtract number in lakh place. In lakh place, up we have 7 which is bigger than 4. So we can subtract it directly. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next we'll subtract number in 10 lakh place. In 10 lakh place, up we have 5 which is bigger than 3 down. So we'll subtract directly. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Children, we have found how many students have passed in the exam. Let me read the number now. So the number is 23,74,804 students have passed in the board exam. So children, in this way we have to write the statements of the given numbers and then subtract and find the answer. Hope children you understood as to how to solve a word problem based on subtraction.